In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell when a Docusign document was signed. This is an essential skill for anyone who frequently works with digital agreements, as it helps you maintain a precise record of all your signed documents. We'll go through the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to easily track the signing date of any document in your Docusign account. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is incredibly popular for electronic signatures and agreement management, making it a top choice for digital document handling. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. To do this, locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page and click on it. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. Once you're logged in and on your Docusign home, direct your attention to the main dashboard. This is where you'll find various options to manage your documents. Now, to proceed with checking the signing date, look for the Agreements tab. This section is crucial as it holds all of your important documents and agreements that have been processed through Docusign. Click on Agreements and you'll see a list of documents displayed on your screen. Now it's time to hone in on the specific document whose signing date you wish to verify. In the Agreements section, browse through your list of documents and select the one you are interested in. Clicking on a document will lead you to a more detailed view where you can access all pertinent information regarding that particular agreement. The next step is super important. Look for the need to sign status or similar cues within the document summary. This usually sits prominently on the document details page. By clicking on need to sign or its equivalent, you'll reveal more information including transaction details and the signing history, which includes the precise date and time the document was signed. Knowing exactly when an agreement was signed is an invaluable piece of information, especially in business settings where timelines and accuracy are crucial. Remember to explore other document details while you're there, as this might give you more context or information about the signatories involved and additional actions taken on the document. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you now know how to check when a Docusign document was signed. With this knowledge, managing your documents with precision is a whole lot easier. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more useful tutorials on Docusign and other digital tools. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.